Good morning. It is 6:32 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. It is December the 16th. I'm about to put my Spark app on, and also I picked up a pop-in delivery, and I believe it said it has 5 bags. It is, let me check. I think it said, yeah, 5 bags, and it is a requested order for someone I've already have done multiple times before. So let me go ahead and put my Spark app on, and I'll be back once I get the order. Okay, guys, I finally got an order for $14.24. It is a 3 drop off, and it's going 5 miles, 5.8 miles. But I just want to go ahead and pick one up. So let's go get it. All right, guys. I'm at the Walmart, but it's a little bit too early to confirm them here. So I stopped and get some gas. So let's go get a spot until it's time for us to confirm we're here. All right, guys, we got spot number 1. Got all the goods. Let me complete. I picked up. The first one is going to an apartment. This say will be home, front door. It's going, let's see how far we're going. We're going 11 minutes away. All right. So let's go. 205.
Head northwest toward Cunningham Drive.
All right, let's go drop this one off.
Ooh, yeah. Like a sunrise horizon, always there, always shining, building me up with the song that you're singing, filling my heart like I'm flying. You're always warm, always hold me, biggest part of my story, healing my soul, help me feel complete, bringing my here to my glory. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back.
Second drop off, which was like 3 minutes from the first drop off. Now we're going to the last drop off, which is 2 minutes away. It is a home. And I wish you guys could have saw that step. I mean, there was no step. I mean, not step, porch. There was no porch. There was a hole in the porch. The wood was just missing. So I see what I said. Put it on the edge. So I guess hopefully they fixing that porch.
Take the next left onto Primrose Avenue.
Anyway, we're on our way to the last drop off. It says ring doorbell, please. Try not to place directly in front of door opening. All right, let's go drop this off. This sun is blinding people this morning.
In
Let's go
800
drop it
feet,
off.
turn right.
It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. Yeah.
All those deliveries has been dropped off. So now we're waiting on another delivery. So, and we don't have to pick up the laundry until 8:30. I believe that's the time I put down. So hopefully I can get one more Spark delivery and then go get the laundry. Be back when I get one.
It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back to you. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you.
My bag has been picked up. As you saw, I picked up the laundry, and I was having issues again taking the pictures. I don't know why. When it comes to Poplin picking up his laundry, taking these pictures always gives me an issue. It doesn't do it with any other app. But anyway, I didn't get any more Spark deliveries. The sun is out. Didn't get any more Spark deliveries, so I decided to come on and pick up the laundry, because I believe I put down 8:30 to be picked up. It is 8:22, and as you saw, that I hope you saw, I hope I had the camera facing that direction, that the laundry has been picked up. So now I'm on my way back to the house to drop the laundry off. I probably have enough time to start a load and before I have to be to work about 11 o'clock. And that's a new client I'm doing today. I don't remember doing this client. Well, the name is not, I'm not remembering the name, so I believe it's a new client. But anyway, we're on our way to drop this laundry off, and then I'll be back in a few. Alright guys, while I'm waiting on the laundry to wash, I get out getting out gifts that I'm going to give to the customer. First I'm going to get out a bag. This is the bag that I'm going to use. Try to go ahead and use these up before the holiday is over. So now all we have to do is go in here. I think I'm going to give her a set. So let's go. I have 2 different bags of stuff that I've made. So I'm going to get something out of here. And these mostly are sets. So let's decide which one we're going to give to her today. I think I'm going to give her... Why am I just dropping stuff this morning? Sorry, guys. I'm just dropping stuff. Okay, I think I'm going to give her this set. This is the ink pen with that little thing right there. It's the ink pen. And this is the bookmarker. So this is the set that we're going to give her. I'm going to go ahead and drop that into the bag. Alright, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to, in the other bag, let's get this bag out the way, and get the other bag where we have our stickers, our thank you sticker, and a little piece of ribbon to tie it. Alright, I found a piece of ribbon. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to tie up the bag. Be back when I tie it. Alright guys, I went on and tied it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the little thank you sticker on there. So that's the gift for the customer. So I'm going to wait so I can put them in the dryer. When the clothes stop, we're going to transfer it to the dryer. Guys, I wanted to pop back in and show you guys what I use when I tie up the bags with the laundry. I use these little tie things. And then I have ribbon in here that I tie up the bag with. I will show you at the end. Good morning. It is the next day of picking up the laundry requested order. It is 6:09 a.m. in the morning. We're getting ready to go drop off the laundry. Then we're going to pick up a Spark delivery and then be on our way to work by 8 o'clock. Let's go.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice.
Guys, the drop off has been completed. I know you probably can't see me well, but I'm gonna first let me leave from in front of these people house. I don't like to be in front of people homes after I do what I need to do. But with that order, I made $34.50. They didn't have a whole lot of laundry. I think it was like 40 something, 46 pounds of laundry. If I can have a screenshot of it, I'll put it up so you guys can see how much laundry they had. So now I'm gonna find a spot to pull over so I could put up my Spark delivery, Spark app I meant, and see what Spark has. So I'll be back when I get a Spark delivery. Alright guys, I just picked up one for $27.08. It's not being applied to the incentive, but that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and take it because I need to waste time before I can have to be to work at 8. So let's go pick up this 3 drop off. It's 2 homes, 1 apartment. I'm trying to get out this drive thing. Hold on. Make sure the cars are coming. I'm going to get the order. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. We're going to get spot number 10.
Calling you.
The bad part is this is not counting toward the incentive, but that's okay. We're still getting paid. All right, now you guys can see me a whole lot better because it's daylight. So now we're going to the first delivery, which is our home, and it is 12 minutes away. Let's go drop it off.
The rising sun shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? I have been far, I have been wide, searching for peace, somewhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure, fearless and babe.
way to the next drop-off, which is 11 minutes away. And we're going to an apartment. So let's go drop this order off.
Coming, we are one. There is no them and us. Together we're strong. Together we're free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkest valley. Can't you see you will be free? Can't you see you will be free?
To the last drop off, which is 14 minutes away, going to a house. All right. One thing I can say about Walmart this morning, they put distance in between these drop-offs. All right, guys, let's go drop it off. I'm so sorry, guys. I got back to the car and realized that I didn't even cut the camera on for the last drop-off. But anyway, we are all done. And we're on our way to work. Alright, let me go ahead and fasten myself in. Whew. Another cold day. Not as cold as it was Monday though. Monday was 19 degrees. Today is 39 right now. But anyway, I want to say thank you guys for always popping in, watching my videos, supporting, commenting. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.